Wouldn't it be great if you didn't have to spend a bunch of time manually putting together a bunch of zaps in Zapier? Well, now you can. Here you go. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can use AI within Zapier now to go ahead and create whatever zaps you need. And you might have to tweak them a little bit, but it's going to get the bulk of the work out of the way. So let me just back up one step so you can just see this from the very start. So, I'm just in a clean folder here. We're gonna go create new zap. Again, it's gonna bring up the AI powered menu here. And you're just gonna say, let's say for example, I just had a meeting, a really important meeting, and we use Fathom, by the way, for our meetings, great note taker. And we want to store those meeting notes, that meeting summary, as soon as it's created in Google Docs. Okay, so we're going to store all our meetings there. So that's what we're going to do here. So we're going to say when a new meeting summary is created in Fathom, create a new doc with the meeting notes in the document. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and see what happens. Generate. I'm actually doing this for the first time for this particular zap, so let's see what happens. All right, so it's gonna see, okay, here is an idea of what you might like. So here we go, new AI summary, Fathom, yes, that's the trigger. And the step 2, the action is gonna be create document from template Google Docs. Yeah, let's see what other option here. Create document from text. Create document from template. I think we're gonna try create document from text. Create document from text, Google Docs. All right, so let's do it. All right. A new summary is created. So now we're gonna click into this and let's see what's already filled out. Okay, so again, AI summary account. It's got my accounts connected. If your account's not already connected, you're going to need to connect your account. Trigger. Let's see here. My meetings. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Continue. Okay. Yeah, that's it. My meetings, test. All right, let's test it. I already have let's go over to, so you can see I have some meetings here. Let's test it with an existing meeting. See what happens when it pulls the contents. Okay, so it's got, let me move myself out of the way here. Yeah, so it's got some contents here, sales and marketing call that we had. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and, yeah, it's got a whole bunch of stuff there to create. All right, it's like we're all good. Now we're gonna sign into Google Docs. Okay, allow, action, call it the title, and then we're gonna add in the time so we don't get confused on which one it was. So meeting start time. So it's gonna automatically populate that. And here, we're going to include the plain AI summary, plain text formatted. There we go. Okay. And folder. Let's see, folder. Oh, we're gonna do the meetings folder. I actually already had a meetings folder created. If you didn't do this already, you're gonna first go to your Google Drive and create a folder. Okay, so you're gonna do that step, back to it. Here we go. All right, so got the meetings folder. We're gonna do that. And then we're gonna hit test step. Okay, and a test. And let's see what happens. All right, so let's switch over to our Google Drive here. And there we go. Let's open up our meeting. Let's take a look at the notes really quickly. All right, so here are our takeaways. Yeah, this is exactly what we were kind of talking about in our sales and marketing meeting. So that's really cool. So again, guys, I was kind of doing this in real time. One thing I already know, because I tested this on a different Zap workflow using Fathom. One thing you're going to want to do is, if you're trying to make it automatically generate the summary, if you're going to use this specific trigger when a new AI summary is created, you are then going to do an action. The key here is you need to have Fathom already open. Because it won't run in the background, you need to have it open in your browser. All is not lost if you don't. It's just that later on, it's going to wait until you either open the browser and then it will automatically generate the summaries you wanted, or you'll have to go in, and if you forgot to open it and you need it right away, just go in, click into the meeting, and then you're gonna see right here where it says copy summary, you're gonna see generate summary. Okay, so you're gonna see that, and then once you generate that summary, it's gonna load, and then it will trigger your Zap. And so anyway, we can go ahead and publish that. So that said, guys, definitely give me a like if you got some value out of the video, and also subscribe to the channel if you want more videos about how you can automate your business so you don't need as many employees, so you can run leaner, do more with less, scale, make a lot of money, lead a less stressful lifestyle, less HR headaches, etc., etc. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.